Hello everybody, I have quite a few updates. Let's start with these babies. So, there's Aflac and Daffy and all of the little babies. The water inside of there is empty, but we have a 3.5 gallon water right here. We fill that water up at night and put with their feeder. And we have them next door to the big ones so that they can get used to them before we integrate them. And if you look in here, let me see if I can zoom you in. I haven't been getting any eggs from my black Sumatra for a few days, and you see that little nest in the back? Yeah. 3 eggs, it appears from here. I have no idea how we're gonna get those out. I guess I'm gonna have to go climb in because we put the top back on. So I guess I'm gonna have to go climb in and get in there. Okay, let me zoom back out, if it'll let me. And then the most exciting thing, I know the babies are very exciting, but if we come over here, hold on, got company, give me a moment. All right, there's Cooper. My son using the Wi-Fi to get his phone set up, his new phone. But there's Cooper trying to attack me. But like I was saying, the most exciting thing, let me get this stick so I can open the door. Today is lockdown day for these broody mamas. They have moved their eggs out of the nest into the center of the coop area. And Sunday, some of the eggs should hatch. Hey, Cooper. And Sunday, one of them will have babies, and then about 5 days after that, the second one will have babies. Now, they've been stealing each other's eggs, so there's no telling who's got whose eggs. Who knows? They both may become mothers on the same day, and the broodiness may be ruined, and then the other eggs may all die. I don't know. Well, don't spill the oyster shell, Cooper. Oh, look. Several people have decided to join us. Let me put these back up. Okay, I had to go and get my Billy from the pond back there. Well, she wasn't in the pond, but she was close to it. And there's my Billy. I mean, my Cooper trying to, bow up on me. But my broody girls. And that's the black Sumatra. That's one that's been going to the chicks' coop and laying eggs. That we have to figure out how we're going to get out. But it is officially lockdown day, so I cannot touch the eggs. My ducks. And all my new babies. Now, every night, they are piled up in a pile over there, and we have to pick them up one by one and put them in there, which whenever it's dark, it's a lot of work. I mean, there's 27 birds you got to pick up. But when it's dark, they just kind of stay still and wait for you. So. Okay. Okay, so that's an update on the babies. And the big ones. And let's see if we can get the ducks to do a little dance for y'all. Hold on one second. Didn't get the ducks to do a little dance.
As soon as I move, little Billy right there. Just to show him now.
That is the mating dance between the two ducks. She bobs her head.
They'll come over here as soon as I move.
And then he answers.
Get in and get all clean.
But I just want to see if we can get... That's another dance I was talking about. That is a mating dance. And yep, we're not gonna do... Okay, that was the most awkward 2 minutes of my life, but they, of course, have just got their mating. But that's not the dance I was trying to show y'all. Something along these lines, which is what happens whenever they get wet. And being that they got, there we go, being that they got wet while mating, they made it outside of the water, but the male duck will push the female duck into the water. We hear you, Cooper. But it looks like he's trying to drown her, which he's not. But that's what it looks like. There we go. But being that that happened, she decided she wanted to get in there all the way and clean up, and then he wanted to clean up after mating, so then they was able to do their little water dance for y'all. I think it's so cute. But Billy is my blue Swedish, and he is my khaki Campbell. So I have a blue Swedish, a khaki Campbell, I believe is a Welsh Harlequin over there, and I believe is a white Pekin. Yes, sir, Cooper. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir, Cooper. Yes, sir. All right, but like I was saying yesterday, look, my bump is almost gone. It looks so good. Just put my medicine on it every night. Okay. Well, what's the matter, baby?
Nothing. I just figured I'd get them out here so you can look at all of them.
Oh, well, I've already walked around and looked at them several times. So now I'm just saying my goodbyes. All right, thank you for watching. The chicks are 22nd today. They are 1 month old today. They were hatched on the 22nd. Today's the 22nd. So I think were 5 weeks 2 days ago. Wait, no, today's Thursday. They were hatched on a Monday. So 3 days ago, they were 5 weeks old. And today they are exactly 1 month old. So, little furry boots back there. Little furry legs. All right. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.